Has a lender looked at your credit report and determined that you were too risky to offer funding? Is your credit score not where you'd like it to be? Or maybe you just don't have much credit history? Well, that's okay. Don't let bad credit stop you from getting a startup loan for your new business. Let's cover the options available for you. Contrary to popular thought, it is possible to get a reasonably priced startup loan, even if you have a poor personal credit score. But before we see these financing options, subscribe to our channel and be part of our growing community. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for startups with bad credit, here are 8 highly rating lending services. At the end of the video, I'll have a little bonus for you. I will tell you about the 3 credit cards suitable for businesses that are 6 months old or newer and with bad credit, meaning a score of 600 or lower. In no particular order, we have Lendio, BlueVine, Fundbox, Fora Financial, Accion, Avant, Credibly, and PayPal Working Capital. Best for businesses that aren't sure which type of financing they need is Lendio. Lendio is an online loan matchmaking service that lets you compare and apply to multiple business loans at once. Even if you have a low credit score, you can pre-qualify for short-term loans, lines of credits, merchant cash advances, equipment financing, SBA loans, and more. Lendio is especially helpful if you're new to business financing and aren't sure which options you might qualify for or would work for your business. Lendio is great because of the relaxed credit score requirements. You save time by applying to multiple loans at once, and it helps you figure out which financing product is best for your needs. Best for young B2B or B2C businesses already generating revenue is BlueVine. It's one of our favorite lenders in the line of credit and term loan lending space. That's in part because its borrower requirements are easier for businesses to meet than with other lenders. You only need a fair credit score to qualify. Note that this product is available only to startups already in business for at least 6 months. Also, BlueVine offers invoice factoring services to low credit borrowers, which can be used by B2B startups. We like BlueVine for its solutions for cash flow problems, excellent customer service, fast time to funding, transparent advertising, no maintenance fees or lockbox fees. Fundbox is best for small newer businesses that use invoicing or accounting software. Fundbox has 2 very easy to qualify for products: business lines of credit and invoice financing. If you're not sure what the difference is between invoice financing and invoice factoring, visit our article linked in the description below. All in all, as long as you make at least $50,000 per year and use compatible invoicing and/or accounting software or have a compatible bank account, you should be eligible for Fundbox's services. Fundbox is suitable for startups and bad credit borrowers with cash flow problems. However, the interest rates can be on the high side, so larger and more established businesses will get better terms with a lender such as BlueVine. We like Fundbox for its fast and easy application process and its good customer service. Best for merchants with robust daily debit credit card sales is Fora Financial. Fora Financial offers merchant cash advances, aka MCAs, and short-term loans to newer businesses, including those with poor credit. The company does check your credit score, but having a bad score will not prevent you from accessing capital. Fora Financial's main requirement is that you have at least $5,000 in monthly debit credit card sales. Merchant cash advances can be a viable source of capital to startups and bad credit businesses because they generally have relaxed borrower requirements. We like Fora Financial for its excellent customer service, relaxed borrower qualifications, and fast time to funding. Accion is best for entrepreneurs with a business plan and little personal debt. As a nonprofit lender, Accion offers short and medium-term installment loans to startup and existing businesses. If you have poor personal credit but need a small startup loan, Accion is one of the few reputable online lenders that can help you without screwing you over. We like Accion for the fantastic customer service, fair terms and rates, fast time to funding, and business education resources. Best for entrepreneurs and business owners with sound personal finances is Avant. This reputable provider offers personal installment loans that can be used for business. It also accepts credit scores that most personal lenders would shrink from. While Avant accepts poor credit borrowers, you may be denied funding for other reasons, such as poor personal income to meet the incremental payments. However, it does not have any business income requirements. The reasons why we like Avant are its responsive and helpful customer service, fast application process, fair rates and fees, and no prepayment penalty. Last but not least, Credibly, which is best for bad credit businesses with healthy monthly revenues. This company is startup friendly and offers 2 separate loan products. Credibly's rates can be a bit high, but you are likely to be approved really fast. Unlike a lot of short-term financiers, Credibly offers the option of weekly repayments. An easy application process, low borrower prerequisites, a good customer service, and the weekly repayments option are the reasons why we like Credibly. Finally, PayPal Working Capital is best for PayPal sellers with business or Premier PayPal account. It offers short-term loans that work in a similar way that merchant cash advances do. These loans are a good option if you already do business through PayPal. PayPal's Working Capital doesn't charge interest. Instead, you are charged a one-time fee that you repay along with the loan. PayPal will then collect a small percentage of your daily sales until you have repaid the loan and the fee. Why do we like PayPal Working Capital? Because they have a fast application process, low fees, easy repayments, and quick access to cash. Now, as promised, here's the bonus, the 3 credit cards for startups with bad credit. We have in no particular order: Capital One Spark Classic, Wells Fargo Business Secured, Discover It Secured. Best for fair credit borrowers who wants to establish business credit is Capital One Spark Classic. It has 1% cash back and no annual fee. Best for business owners with bad credit or no credit is Wells Fargo Business Secured. It has variable reward structure where the cardholder can choose between cashback or points. And best for anyone who wants to establish credit or improve their bad credit is Discover It Secured. Let's mention here its ability to earn up to 2% cash back. Also note that there is Discover, which is known for having no annual fee. For detailed reviews on each of these bad credit lenders, just click the links below and check out our website at merchantmaverick.com for more. Also, drop your questions and comments below. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching and see you next week. Check out our other videos on funding alternatives. Are you interested in business grants for women? Check it out in our Maverick Minute playlist.